Is your garage door starting to squeak, rattle, and make those annoying sounds? Well, stay tuned. I got some foolproof tips and tricks for you that will definitely make those go away. So make sure you stay tuned. Now, before we do anything with the garage door, do any fixes, I like to take a decibel reading on the before so that we can compare it on the decibel reading after. Let's open the garage door and compare it. All right, now let's close the garage door. Let's go with fix number one. I like to start with the easiest solution first, and that's with using grease. This is the white lithium grease by WD-40. I'm gonna lubricate every single hinges that we see here. In this door, I have a 4-panel door. That's 15 hinges that we gotta go and lubricate. The reason why I like to use white lithium grease, it's because it's heavy duty, rust inhabiting barrier, and it's metal to metal application. And if you look closely to these hinges right here, definitely metal to metal. Now I know people like to use that WD-40, just the regular kind. I highly suggest you don't use that because it just works temporarily, but this one lasts forever. And proof of this is because I use this on my springs as well. And if you look right here, see that? I've had that sprayed for the last time that I made this video, probably 3 years ago. It's still working strong. Make yourself a piece of rag as well and go spray between where it's making contact on the joints. Now, you don't have to use so much, just a little bit for it to go and penetrate and just wipe down the little excess. Now, just go to the next hinge and do the same thing. We're gonna do all 15 of them. Five years ago, I would have fit here, no problem. So, can you see me? I kind of gave it away on the other part that you do spray. Just put a light spray on your tension spring, spread it nice and even, and then you should be good. This is why it's very important that you use the right grease for your springs. Don't just use any type of lubricant. It has to be one of these white lithium grease. So if you're interested on the same one, I'll leave every tool that I use on this video on the link on the description down below to make it easier for you. So go check out those links. I make it easy. So this third one is a very important part because if you look closely on your garage door hinge where it goes on the track, your garage door hinge has these rollers that has the metal to metal contact with the garage hinges. So we make each one of these roller sleeves in-house. Okay, friends, we test each and every one of these so we make sure that they fit nice and correctly. All it is this sleeve that you push inside the garage hinge tunnel, and that's it. Let me show you a closer look so you see what's going on here and how easy to install this. Place it right in there, slide it easily right there. See how easy that was? And that's not it. You have to lock it with the lock washer that I provide for you as well. Just literally just push this in. Get yourself a little socket right here. So I'm using the 11/16. Place it right here and you're just gonna do a gentle tap. About an 1/8 inch off the edge. You don't have to push this super hard because you still want to give play for that roller sleeve to play around. If you do it too much, that sleeve might get squished and it could possibly, you know, it's not going to do harm to your garage door, but it just might not be as effective as if it was free playing. Let me just show you the difference. Let me take this out and show you how rattly this is without this. Roll it around, and that's how easily you can take these off. Take this sleeve out. Now this sleeve has been here for close to 3 years now. Now to prove to you that it has been 3 years, if you go back to my past videos when I first installed this, that's the day that I installed this and it's still going strong. Listen to this. That's the metal to metal contact. Whenever you're opening and closing your garage door, this thing has free play. So it just bounces all over the hinge tunnel. Imagine you have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these on one side and 4 on the other side. And imagine all 4 of them doing this sound. it's gonna make quite a noise. This is all packaged by me and my family. Take one of these. I do offer them in 10 piece and 12 pieces, or you can do 4. Just email me and I'll do whatever you need. Before, metal on metal, push it in. Listen, there's no more rattle. I mean, you can still hear a little boom, thud, thud here and there, but the rattle has gone away. This will hold for a very long time. It held for 3 years. Now do that with every single one of your rollers that's going through the hinges. Trust me friends, I've sold so much of these and I've gotten nothing but great feedback on them, and they work. This have been proven over the years since I launched these. These are garage roller sleeves. Give yourself a try. If it doesn't work for you, you know, hit me up and I'll gladly refund you 100%. I also make custom lengths, so just email me, because I know I had a few customers that have longer roller stems that goes up to like 7 inches. So I had to go personally cut those and fit those and test those so that it will fit perfectly. Again, friends, that's www.fixthishouse.net. And I'll leave that link on the description down below as well to make it easier for you to check that out. But these has been amazing, friends, and trust me, it's a night and day difference. That being said, let's go to fix number 3. This next fix, I like to include my dog Polar here. We just got him this year. My little dog, my little puppy here, he's a Chiweenie. Let me get to fix number 3, and that's these green hinge systems. Okay, friends, this green hinge system works amazing. It's definitely another game changer, friends. Now, if you haven't seen this, how this works, let me show you a close-up look on the science of this thing. And I'd like to thank Lester, the guy who invented this. Lester, if you're watching this, thank you. This thing's an amazing product. I wish every single garage door in the world would have this in their garage. Reduces heat escaping, cooling, it just energy saver overall. But if you look closely right here, you see that there's a spring in there. Just having a regular hinge here, your garage would just be floating. But what this green hinge does is that it has a spring that when you install this, if you have this installed on all 3, 1, 2, 3, because I have a 4 panel. If you have a 5 panel, it'll definitely be 4. It pushes the garage door towards the seal outside. So if wind tries to push the garage door forward, it pushes back there so that it still stays and keeps a nice tight seal around your garage door seal outside. Now, being your garage door seal outside has to be in good shape and in a flush form. And it complements with my roller sleeves, because if you combine this with the roller sleeves, you have the perfect combination and you have a nice seal for your garage door. Leave that video right here. Go check out that video. It's about over 1 million views now. Look at all the reviews on that. It's just amazing on this. If you're interested on this also, I'll leave the link on the description down below. Okay, so I installed it on 1, 2, 3 on the left side, and I installed that also on the right side, 1, 2, 3, and together it creates a nice, quiet, smooth track for my rollers and a nice seal for your garage door. For this next one, that will reduce the squeaks, rattles, weird noises, and also will increase the effectiveness and smoothability of your function of your garage door, is to clean out the tracks. If you look in here over time, it develops a lot of debris and sometimes there's shavings in here. Get yourself a towel or any dirty towel that you have and just run it. And you see, look at all that dirt that comes out. Don't wipe going towards the rollers, because if you wipe it, then all that dirt's gonna fall into those rollers. You wanna know it's there and it's gonna get crunched up. So wipe away from your rollers like this way and keep going to get to the very end and let it fall there. And look at already the dirt that I accumulated on this rag. Keep this track clean and you'll have a nice functioning, smooth, quiet, operational garage door. Last but definitely not the least, you have to upgrade your garage rollers. I upgraded to these nylon rollers. If you still have those metal ones, the plastic ones, those things are super noisy and loud. So imagine this, it's probably not the best example, but imagine you have a car or a truck and you don't have rubber on those rims. All you have is running on straight rims. So you're running on the road, it's sparking, it's making all that noise. Now imagine you put rubber around those rims, and that's basically what the nylons are. They act as your rubber shock absorbers. Because if you do have the metal rollers, you have that metal to metal, and that's what we want to try to reduce. Metal to metal will create noise. The nylon with the metal definitely going to reduce the sound. I do a detailed video on how I installed these because there's a trick on the easy way you can actually install those without having to take out your whole door, just by taking off the trap. So that was a few years ago, and I'll link you on that video as well. Now that we did all those remedies, let's go now and check the new decibel reading, how much it toned down or quieted down. There you have it, friends. Those are my 5 tips on how you can greatly reduce the noise, the rattles, the squeaks, the annoying sounds of your garage door whenever you open and close it. And again, those are just a few of them. There's not all of them. There's other factors as well. Maybe you do have a garage door that is old already, or it's not insulated. If you have an insulated version garage door, you can insulate it, put some insulation on it to reduce the rattles or whatnot. Those my 5 are probably one of the biggest ones that you can do that will make the best and the huge difference to quiet down your garage door. Again, friends, if you're interested on any tools that I use, and definitely those roller sleeves and the green hinge system, I'll leave all those links on the description down below. Check out those links to make it easy for you. And if you found this video super helpful, again, friends, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next video.